What if we could build artificial brain cells that talk directly to your own neurons? This isn't science fiction, it's not a movie plot. Researchers from University of Massachusetts just built synthetic neurons that fire at the exactly same voltage as the real one. For the first time ever, electronic circuits can hold a direct conversation with a living brain tissues. This could change computing, medicine, even brain-machine interfaces. I am Tomasz, and this is Clinical Breakdown. Here why this breakthrough matters. Your brain is most energy-efficient computer on Earth. It runs on about 20 watts. The power of a light bulb. Meanwhile, AI systems burn through megawatts. For decades, scientists tried to copy neurons, but their vision always needed 10 times more voltage than the brain. Too wasteful, too dangerous to connect to real neurons. Now, for the first time, engineers match the brain's natural 0.1 volt firing signal. That means artificial neurons can finally link up with biological ones. Here how they pulled it off. Old artificial neurons fired at voltage way too high. That wasted energy and made direct contact with real neurons impossible. The team used protein nanowires made by a special bacterium called Geobacter sulfureducin. Those nanowires conduct electricity at super low power. By embedding them into the circuit, they built neurons that fire at just 0.1 volt, like your brain. For the first time, synthetic neurons could speak the same electrical language as the real ones. No amplifiers, no signal boosters, just direct dialogue between biology and electronics. So where could this actually be used? First, medicine. Imagine prosthetic that plug directly into the nervous system. No glitches, no lag, just seamless connection. Second, wearables. Sensors that read your body's signals without draining your batteries. Third, brain-computer interfaces. Devices that could talk to the brain naturally, instead of forcing it to adapt to crude electronics. And finally, computing. Chips that combine the brain's efficiency with the speed of a silicon. The limitations? This is still early. We don't know how those neurons behave over long periods. Scaling production is a challenge, and real medical use is still years away. But hitting the same voltage threshold as the brain? That's a milestone scientists have chased for decades. So what does this mean for the future? First, it shows electronics and biology can finally meet on equal terms. We're moving from forcing the body to adapt to designing machines that adapt to us. Second, it points to a future where prosthetic implants, even AI systems, connect like a natural extension of the nervous system. And third, it hints to a bigger vision. Computing that doesn't just learn from the brain, but learns with the brain. So, what does this mean for you? If you follow health tech, smarter prosthetic and medical devices that feel like part of your body, if you're into AI, the next leap may come not from a bigger chips, but from brain-like circuits. And for all of us, it shows how quickly the line between biology and technology is disappearing. We're heading towards a world where neurons, natural or artificial, work together. So yes, scientists just build neurons that talk directly to living brain cells. The door to bioelectronics hybrids is now wide open. But here's the question. Would you trust a brain implant made of synthetic neurons if it promises better health?